cactus man thinks he can do whatever he can, but he can't. Failure is an option only if you try, or when you are the cactus man. I am the cactus man, thinks he can do whatever he can, but he can't. Oh, failure is an option only when you try. Or when you are a cactus man. What do I see in front of me? Seems like a good idea, but it isn't. I could climb in every tree, but I'll choose one that keeps stinging.